Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. Okay, so we will be checking it out today again tonight, but before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. It is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can have successful trading opportunity within the forex market. Okay, so take your time to browse through the channel, learn the strategies, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, we will be checking out some assets. These are the assets we will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. And of course, if you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart first before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay, so this is boom 1000. It was on uptrend before. You can see the yellow flag, and of course it went up till it got to this region. So right from this resistance it started a downtrend also, and of course it has been selling since then. You can see the red flag and the red arrows, and of course this is still giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's check out boom 500 right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500. Right from this support zone it started an uptrend. You can see the yellow flag going up and up, and it has gotten to this region. If it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then definitely it should go back on downtrend, but for now it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Okay, crash 1000 had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone. It came to an end at this support zone, and right from here it started buying. Okay, so this is buying at the moment, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So let's check out crash 500. Okay, crash 500 had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone, more of a downtrend, even though there are pullbacks in between, but it's more of a downtrend, so it is still selling at the moment. If it's unable to break out below this support zone, then definitely it's going to go back on uptrend. Okay, but for now it is still selling. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, and of course the last asset is going to be V75. This is volatility 75. It had been on downtrend right from here, got to this region, had a major pullback. Okay, it bought till it got to this resistance zone, but was unable to break out from there, so it started a downtrend right from there, and it has been selling right from there. Okay, so if it breaks out below this support zone, then definitely it's still going to sell more. So this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so we should take note of that. These are all that we are able to come up with, and all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my trading videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you because of Qora detectorK, and do not forget to give me thumbs up and share these videos with friends and family. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.